मुझे क्या बोलना है?
मैं आपको करवा रही हूँ ना। मैं जबरदस्ती, मुझे कोई मिल गया है कि करो मेरे साथ शूट, करो मेरे साथ शूट, और लकीली आज ये मेरा मुर्गा आ गई थी घर। मुर्गी Good morning. It's actually not a morning because it's 2 o'clock right now. I woke up so late. I watch K-drama every single night, and then I just binge watch K-drama, and I started watching this in this like lockdown में, and मुझे कुछ हो गया. I think I've watched all the good dramas, so now अब मैं ना कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि यार अब देखो ये ड्रामा देखो वो ड्रामा देखो, but I'm sure that मैं सब कुछ देख के ही चैन लेने वाली हूँ. And since I've watched so much K-drama and the food they eat, this it just makes me so hungry all the time. Like इतना अच्छा खाना खाते हैं. Everything is non-vegetarian obviously, and I'm a vegetarian, so I do not have a lot of options which I can try, and I tried getting all the vegetarian options for myself, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try Korean food, and I thought I'm gonna vlog it for you guys. And if you want to watch this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do a lot of vlogs, and let's start. I think in every K-drama I've noticed that they drink a lot of teas, like, or they keep drinking something or the other from the departmental store. Like Milky's is really famous, and banana milk is famous, and they are also fond of dalgona coffee, like which was a trend before. Like in this lockdown, it's just Fitty coffee, and I just did not want to drink that right now. So and I obviously couldn't find those brands here. I doubt they sell here in India, so I couldn't find it. And they also drink like green tea, barley tea and stuff like that, and a lot of fermented tea. So I got kombucha for myself. Now this is fermented tea, and this is in the flavor orange mint. So honestly, I thought that it might have a pungent smell, because the only reason why I don't drink like fermented teas or anything, because I always have this fear that they might have a pungent smell. But this, it's like orange juice diluted in a lot of water. Obviously they have tea involved in it, and I'm not too good with specifics, so ignore that. But it feels like this orange juice ka pani in a lot of water. But then, you know, it's raw, they have antioxidants, they have vitamins, it's natural, and it's plant-based, gluten-free, a lot of good benefits. So I'm sure a lot of people drink it to detox themselves. I feel like I'm already tired. It's 3 o'clock. Can you imagine? Kombucha पीते हुए और राम्योन बनाते हुए मेरे को 3 बज चुके हैं. Yeah, I mean, do not mind me. I'm gonna throw this kimchi away, and we generally don't waste food at home, or like, you know, yeah, I mean, we generally don't do that. But this one has a really pungent smell. I think ये जब तक आया नीलकुंड गाँव से यहाँ, तब तक इसकी इतनी pungent smell है कि हम पूरा घर हो चुका है. And I don't think हमें ये किसी को देना भी चाहिए, क्योंकि कोई बीमार हो सकता है. So sorry. People who love kimchi might feel bad. Oh my god, that's a lot of water. I actually thought it won't be, but this is how the ramyeon looks like. So I'm ready for lunch. So this is the Nongshim ramyeon. A friend gave it to me in a care package during the lockdown, like all the things that I eat. And this is something he gave it to me because he was like, "Tum ye खाएगी." So I was like, chalo, let's try. You can get it on Amazon. If you're from Delhi, you can get it in like Modern Bazaar or any other Le Marche or any other departmental store, I feel. And these are like metal steel chopsticks, which I am so obsessed with right now. I got it from Amazon. I think it was for 200 or 400 or 500 का set था. चार parts का set था. Honestly, it's like Maggi, but obviously the flavors are really different. Maggi is a very desi flavor, This doesn't have a desi flavor, and honestly the spicy one is also not that spicy. हमें इतनी spicy खाने की आदत है कि it's not that spicy. If you give ramyeon over Maggi, I might just prefer Maggi. It's actually not bad. It's actually yum. Alright, so I'm done with my one packet of ramyeon. It's pretty filling and I feel pretty full. I generally eat like roti or dal during the day, so I generally prefer a healthy meal and not like ramyeon and stuff, because I need to like work during the day, and I'm gonna go work for some time because I have 2 shoots to do today and I have a lot of things to complete apart from just eating. By the way, this is what I got as a birthday gift from a friend of mine. These are Chloe glasses, which I'm going to do a giveaway on Instagram. Just in case you're not following me there, you should follow me. Exporting the same video to post on IGTV. I think you guys have already seen this one. So yeah, just doing it again for IGTV in a zoomed in format. Oh my god, इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है and I'm wearing this full dress. I just finished the giveaway shoot, the one which I had to do for the Chloe glasses. You can participate just in case you want to. And don't you think I just remembered that Crash Landing on You और Descendants of the Sun में ending कितनी बहुत ऐसे थी, हार्ट में कुछ हो गया था मेरे को इतने आंसू आ रहे थे, रोना आ रहा था ना जब क्रैश लैंडिंग ऑन यू और डेस्टिनेंट्स ऑफ द सन की एंडिंग देखे. तुमने वो दोनों नहीं देखा ना, आई थिंक यू शुड टोटली वॉच इट. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई एम गोना ईट इज राइस केक्स. नाउ दे ईट अ लॉट ऑफ स्नैक्स बट आई कुडंट फाइंड देम हियर. आई कुडंट फाइंड देम ऑन Amazon or on Modern Bazaar or like in any other store, so I couldn't really find them. I just found rice cakes. They eat a lot of rice cakes as well when they are hungry as a snack. And they also eat like fruits and like a lot of fried stuff. Everything is with like sausages or like chicken or like eggs. So मतलब मुझे ऐसा कुछ समझ नहीं आया कि मैं कुछ बना पाऊँ. And considering the things that I have to do today, I thought rice cakes is such a great idea. So I'm gonna try that out and let's see how it tastes. It's actually quite good. It's actually from this brand called Pintola. It's whole grain, it's organic, ultra low fat. Okay, it's actually quite nice. I like puffed rice. Yeah, I like puffed rice. If you add gur to this, it's exactly moody ke laddu which we eat, like the balls which we get. So it's exactly that without gur. So it's like the healthy form of what we eat. This is soju. I think ये तो आपने हर एक K drama में देखा होगा. आपको पता होगा क्या है?
The obsession for K drama is real, guys.
Yeah. I don't think आप देखती हो.
I don't see, but I've seen you watching.
Yeah,
it. Like रात के 4 बजे if I'm up, what is Cherry doing watching K-drama?
But यार जो सोजू है, पता है हर इंसान वहाँ पीता है डिनर में या फिर लंच में. सोजू is like sweeter form of vodka and we are gonna have a short eat. And rice से बनता है basically, rice beer या आपने सुना है ना वो जो वहाँ मिलता है. तो anyway, let's just have it because I'm so excited to try it out. थोड़ा कम ही लेते हैं because पहली बार पी रहे हैं.
It's like shots. So a non-drinker having soju shots, okay? Yeah.
So basically, अगर आप बच्चे हो तो सिर्फ देखो, अगर आप के ड्रामा को ऑब्सेस करते हो तो इसको भी देखो कैसे पीते हैं, लेकिन पीना नहीं.
And wait for like 25 to officially drink it.
बहुत मुश्किल से मिला है मुझे दिल्ली में, पता है ये बेचता भी नहीं है कोई. मेरा एक दोस्त है जिसकी शॉप है, but again he doesn't have alcohol license. I actually had to ask him to like bring it and then he obviously it's an imported one so he gave it to me, but ये बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे मिला है. So I'm very thankful to him. So basically रूल ये कि जो इंसान बड़ा होता है वो डायरेक्टली पीता है और जो छोटा होता है वो ऐसे शर्मा के साइड से पीता है क्योंकि इज्जत. It's like a tequila,
cheers,
vodka.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we didn't do cheers.
You don't do cheers after finishing it.
It's like vodka.
It's like sweet vodka. Actually, it's sweet vodka.
It's sweet vodka.
It doesn't taste bitter.
Yeah. अच्छा था. It's
nice.
Not bad. I like it. Oh my god, my mom having alcohol on screen.
Mama, not even bitter.
Basically, the last thing that's left for the video, guys, is the bibimbap and I don't have vegetables क्योंकि मेरी मम्मा ने गुस्से में सारी ग्रीन सब्जियां नहीं लाए, तो हम खरीदने जा रहे हैं and obviously asking my sister to drop me.
Like can't walk 10 steps and I'm like taking her to buy vegetables.
I'm very lazy and literally घर के
Okay, now I don't know how
घर
to
के
do it.
20 स्टेप में ही सब्जी वाला है, फिर भी नहीं ले गई हूँ मैं पैदल. So let's make it. I hope I'm successful. So basically for vegetarians you can add tofu instead of meat. I'm not a big fan of tofu, that's why I do not want to waste food because I feel I've wasted kimchi already and my mom will kill me if I waste something else again. So I'm not putting tofu, I'm just gonna put the paste and I'm just gonna put some vegetables and yeah, just gonna eat it for dinner. So the first step is basically whatever vegetables you're using, be it carrots, bell peppers, spring onions, whatever, you just need to saute it with sesame oil. Okay, to save some time, I have just put all my carrots here and I'm gonna take some bell peppers and saute it right here. So my friend had it and I just took it from him because वो इतना खाता नहीं है and very sweet of him to give it to me. It's basically 1 spoon of red pepper paste, some soy sauce, like little soy sauce, some sesame seeds and some vinegar. And they also mentioned like some minced garlic, but I already used the garlic while sauteing the vegetables, so I'm not using like kacha garlic here. You basically need to mix all of it and make a paste out of it. So yes, this is how the bibimbap looks like. I mean, I know I could have decorated it well, so please do not comment on that. I do not eat a lot of vegetables, so I just did not want to waste it and I just put things which I would have eaten. That's why it looks like slightly messy, but in the end you just need to mix it. और पेट में तो सब कुछ mix होना ही है, तो yeah, presentation and aesthetics literally zero. It's like fried rice, मिर्ची वाला fried rice if you see. बस इनके में बहुत ज़्यादा vegetables होता है and like you know the red pepper sauce definitely has a strong smell, but it's actually like fried rice. I feel quite yum, quite nice. I'm definitely gonna eat this for dinner and I'm not eating rotis for sure because बहुत मेहनत से बनाई भी है, इतनी भी नहीं, but हाँ. I just remember why did वेल इंटेंडेड लव का 2 सीजन में दोनों में सेम स्टोरी क्यों थी, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया. मतलब अगर तुमने देखा तो कमेंट करके बताओ कि उन्होंने सेम स्टोरी को 2 सीजन में किया. मैंने दूसरा सीजन नहीं देखा इसलिए, बट दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोना एंजॉय राइट नाउ एंड आई एम आल्सो थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग अ लुक बुक फॉर लाइक BTS लुक बुक. आज ही सोच रही थी ये वीडियो करते करते. सो लेट मी नो व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट दिस वीडियो आइडिया. आई थिंक आई विल डू इट ओनली. So I'm just gonna eat my colorful mess, also a yummy mess. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want more such vlogs, comment down below and tell me your favorite K-drama in the comments below. I'll see you next week. Bye.